guys, welcome back, and today we're going to be exploring Google Docs. Start off, I'm at Google Docs home screen. You could access this home screen by either clicking on this waffle and scrolling down until you find Google Docs, or going to Google and searching up Google Docs. And if you're not signed into your Google account, it will show you the screen that says sign in. After you sign in, it will get you to the Google Docs home screen. If you have no documents yet, it will show up the screen like this. If you have other documents you have created, it will show you under recent documents. And you could list it by owned by anyone, owned by me, not owned by me, and A to Z options. And there are tons of options you could list it. List view, picture view, open file picker, and all sorts of stuff like that. And these are some things you could pick from. You have a plain blank one that will give that you could create your own thing, and then you have resume, one for resume, letter, project proposal, report. And if you click on template gallery, you have tons more you could pick from. So that's a cool thing about Google Docs. And you could also, here, it shows you this. So if you click on that, it's going to hide all of the templates. So be careful to not click on that. Okay, so right now, I clicked on the blank document, and I'm going to show you guys around in the blank document. So first of all, I want to name my document so I know what document it is. So I'm going to go here and name it. So I'm going to name it for now ABC. And right now I'm just naming it that. You guys could make the name what you want it to be. And then coming to text, I just want to first write A for apple. So again, I'm just writing this. You guys could change up everything. And after that, what I'm going to do is I want to change how my size is, what color I want it to be, and what font I want it to be, and where it has to be. And all of this could be found in this line, like this whole line. First of all, this area is what you want it to be: a title, a subtitle, heading number 2, heading number 3. And here is actually where you zoom. So if you want your page to be zoomed, you could click on that. And I don't want any styles on mine, so I'm just going to keep it like that. And coming to font. So I'm going to change my font to short style. But what you could do is, if you don't like all of these fonts and you want something new and special, you could go to more fonts. And in more fonts, there are tons of things you might like. You could sort them by different things, and you could tell what do you want it to show, like all scripts and all of those stuff. And now coming to font size. So there's some main ones you could pick from, but you could also pick your own by clicking on this add sign. Like for example, you see there's no 15 here. There's only 14 and 18. There's no 16 or 17, because these are the main ones. But I'm going to put mine to 24. Now, do I want mine to be bolded? I actually want mine to be bolded, so I'm going to click that. And do you want mine to be italic? No, I don't want mine to be italic, so I'm not going to click on that. Underlined? Nope. Now, coming to text color. You could pick some from here, but you could also create your custom ones. So that's a cool thing you could do. I'm going to make mine red, because apples are mostly known for red. And highlight color is something you could do. It's just like that, you could do none or pick some, or create your custom color. And you could do all sorts of fun stuff. Now link, if you click on this, you could add a link. And here is add comment. If you click on that, you could add a comment. Here you could insert an image, upload from computer, search the web, drive, photos, a URL, camera. And here is a text element. So you could align it however you want. I want it to be in the middle. So I'm going to make it in the middle. And then line spacing, making it into a number list, dot list, decrease indent, increase indent, clear formatting, set text direction, you could do all sorts of fun stuff like that. And also you might be wondering, what is this? These are modes you could do. We're actually in editing mode because we want to edit this document. You could be in suggesting mode, or you could be in viewing mode, which is good for reading your whole document. So yeah, and now like that you could write how many texts you want. And one cool thing is here it shows document outline, so that's a cool thing too. Okay, now I want to show you guys all of this top part. So here you have file, where you could do all sorts of stuff with your file, like make a copy of this file, rename the file, move the file, add shortcut to die, move it to the trash, all of these stuff, and edit, undo, redo, paste without formatting, all of that stuff, and view. Like, how do you view it? Print layout, show ruler, show document outline. Then insert. So here, you could insert all sorts of stuff, like an image, a table, drawing, chart, horizontal line, special characters, and format. Instead of its formatting, you could set all the formatting here. Tools. So this is somewhere you could use the tools. Like if you're writing a letter, you could use spelling and grammar, and you could check all your text. And add-ons. You could do more with Google Docs. So add-ons is something you could add on to your Google Docs. And help. These are just some help things you could do. And right over here is comment button. So when you click here, you can see all the comment history. Now after that, here is share. So click on that. You could share it to other emails. You could also share it by link, which is pretty cool too. That's it, guys. I really hope you guys had fun exploring Google Docs with me. For more videos like this, remember to subscribe and ring the bell button for more notifications. Bye!